अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, आज हमें मिस अस्मा मलिक ने ज्वाइन किया है जो कि पाकिस्तान स्टॉक एक्सचेंज में एज अ जीएम अपनी सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड कर रही हैं। पाकिस्तान में लोग सीए को इतने ज़्यादा नहीं जानते बट इन्होंने सीएफए किया। ही इज़ अ सीएफए चार्टर होल्डर। आज इनसे कुछ हम सवालात करेंगे जो कि आपकी भी और हमारी भी गाइडेंस होगी। बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस इंटरव्यू आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट कि आप हमारा चैनल ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस इंटरव्यू। मिस, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस।
जी वालेकुम सलाम, थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग मी हियर। It's a pleasure to be here.
Miss, first of all, we would like to know about your journey or experience of CFA कि आपने CFA कैसे start किया?
It's a very good question. Actually, I chose CFA when I was back in IBA. We had a teacher who is very well known in CFA circles. आप शायद जानते भी हों, आरिफ इरफानुल्लाह साहब. He gave a very motivational lecture in IBA, and that convinced me that I should do CFA. I started doing CFA soon after graduating from IBA. So I graduated in 2011. And right after graduating, I started working for CFA Level 1, studying for CFA Level 1. And in the coming 3 years, I was done with all 3 levels of CFA.
Miss, as a lot of people don't know about CFA, what is the difference between a chartered accountant and a CFA charter holder? इनमें actually core differences क्या है?
I think मैं CFA के plus points आपको बता देती हूँ. A lot of people don't know what CFA is all about or what it actually teaches you. तो CFA बहुत एक कॉम्प्रीहेंसिव एक सर्टिफिकेशन है जो कि 10 कोर एरियाज पे बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस करती है. मैं उनको गिनवा देती हूँ ताकि पीपल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट CFA एक्चुअली कंप्राइजेस ऑफ. सो इट कंप्राइजेस ऑफ एथिकल एंड प्रोफेशनल स्टैंडर्ड्स. इस पर बहुत फोकस होता है इवन इन CFA लेवल 1 इन लेवल 2 एंड इन लेवल 3. एंड देन CFA टॉक्स अबाउट क्वांटिटेटिव मेथड्स. आपको थोड़ा क्वांट सिखा देता है. देन इट टॉक्स अबाउट, टीचेस यू इकोनॉमिक्स. And then it teaches you financial reporting and analysis, and it teaches you about corporate finance. It teaches you about equity investment. It teaches you about fixed income. It teaches you about derivatives. It teaches you about alternative investments, and it teaches you about portfolio management and wealth planning. I do not think CA is that broad. जितना broadly CFA cover करता है finance को, different areas of finance को, I don't think there is any other qualification that covers finance so comprehensively, right? And I think once you have done CFA, it actually prepares you for a very senior and for an executive position in companies which are to do with investment management, or which are to do with risk management, or which are to do with portfolio management, investment banking, etc.
Moving towards my next question, which is relevant to career of CFA. During my articles, I have seen CFA charter holder working in credit rating agency, which is Petra in Lahore. आप यहाँ पे आपकी क्या टेक होगी कि CFA के बाद क्या अपॉर्चुनिटीज अवेलेबल होती हैं एक CFA चार्टर होल्डर के पास इन पाकिस्तान एंड आउटसाइड द पाकिस्तान इन विच इंडस्ट्री?
देखिए, मैंने आई विल टेल यू माय एक्सपीरियंस कि मैंने CFA चार्टर होल्डर्स को कहाँ कहाँ देखा है. I have seen CFA charter holders in a number of reputed banks. I have seen charter holders having top slots in a number of corporates. I have seen CFA charter holders in a number of brokerage houses, in a number of investment banks. तो मैं कहूँगी कि आपकी फील्ड रिस्ट्रिक्ट नहीं होती. आपने एक छोटा सा एरिया बता दिया. But I don't think that you are restricted only to working in Pakra if you're doing or if you're becoming a CFA charter holder.
Miss, my next question is about the youth. Should our youth get to know about stock exchange, investment, wealth management, portfolio management? What would you suggest?
मैं तो बिल्कुल कहूँगी, I would say that our youth certainly needs to become financially literate, become tech savvy and become savvy about investments. आजकल अगर हम यूथ को देखें, आई थिंक द बेसिक इशू इज दैट दे आर नॉट investment savvy, and they're not financially literate. People do not know where they should be investing, what the stock exchange is, what the stock exchange does, what products does it offer, how can we come and invest in the stock market, right? I think एक बहुत gap है. The exchange is trying to decrease that gap. तो मैं encourage करूँगी. I think people should come to the exchange, get to know its functions. हम लोग तो यहाँ पर बाकायदा we encourage university students to come in. हमारे यहाँ कई investor awareness programs पे होते हैं where we try to encourage people to learn about the exchange, what functions it does perform, and then you yourself can understand where you yourself can invest your income. तो बिल्कुल मैं encourage करूँगी कि आप लोग आएँ, come learn about the exchange, learn about how you can make an equity investment or you can make it an investment in a debt security.
Miss, it would be great if you share any tip with our young aspirants based upon your experience that could help us.
I think just a tip that I would like to give, because people don't really take it very seriously, there are two things. Number one, work really hard. Sometimes people think that there are shortcuts to success. There are no shortcuts, so you've got to work hard. That's one. And number two, have a very, very strong and very, very good support circle around you. Have a very strong support network. If you have these two, if you have a good combination of the two, if you're willing to work hard and you have a really good support network, I think you can achieve a lot. You can become really successful.
In the end, Miss, thank you so much for joining us and sharing your valuable experience and guiding us all. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.
Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow. So just do it! Make your dreams come true! Just do it!